Welcome to Epic Stock Due Diligence. Please subscribe at youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Ed here. I want to talk about another common stock market term, and that is a momentum stock play, also known as a momo, M-O-M-O, stock play. Now what is that? What is a momentum stock play? Well, when you're dealing with these stocks, in particular microcaps, aka penny stocks, there's a lot of them out there that have next to no volume. Now volume, as we discussed in another video, is a combination of selling at the ask and selling at the bid. So the combined volume throughout a trading day, let me rephrase that, the combined number of trades throughout a trading day makes up the volume. So that's taken from both the bid and the ask. So what is a momentum stock play and how do you find them? The best thing to do, and you can check out my stock screening video on this channel as well, on my youtube.com/EpicStockDD channel. Feel free to subscribe, by the way. The screener, if you sort by volume active, those plays will likely be the ones that could potentially be a momentum play. Now with a momentum play, keep in mind, momentum, just because there's a lot of volume, the bulk of the volume could be at the bid. Now if the bulk of the volume was at the bid, in that scenario, this thing's going down. Now unless you're shorting a stock, you don't want to see a stock going down. I personally don't short stocks. I've just, no reason, I've just never done it. But what you're looking for is a stock with a lot of volume, and if you're looking at your, and check out my level 2 video, but if you're looking at your level 2 last sale information, you need to see if all the sales are going through at the ask. And if the majority of them are, and you're seeing the ask price continue to increase, and there's a lot of volume, that's a good sign that that may be a momentum play worth pursuing. Now keep in mind, with a momentum play, typically what a trader wants to do, they want to get in on the run, during the run. So after the run has started, a momentum player would hop in. What makes a momentum player different from a buy and hold kind of player, someone that's bottom fishing, meaning that they're running screens, they're looking for stocks at a very cheap price per share, and they're trying to accumulate when there's next to no volume, with hopes that the volume will pick up in the future and they'll be in before the run. That's different from a momentum player, because a momentum player is not going to get in and sit and wait. They don't care about that. They want to find day to day which stock has the most volume and which stock is rapidly appreciating on the ask side. And when they find that stock, that's a momentum play. They'll get in and typically get out a few minutes, a few hours later. They seldom keep all of their position longer than one day of trading. Now they may sell enough of their shares towards the end of that trading day, even if the volume's still continuing to go up, to cover their initial speculative investment, and then they may do what's called ride freebies. Freebies being shares that were left over after they sold a portion of their position after the price per share increased, so they made back their initial investment. Maybe they made a few thousand bucks on top of that, but now they've also got these shares that are sitting in their account still, so if that momentum continues in a positive direction during the next day of trading, or maybe the next few days of trading, they're riding freebies. So that's free money for them. If they go down to no bid, they didn't lose anything because they've already made their profit, and they were just riding those shares as freebies. So that's my definition of a momentum, a momo stock trader. And there's a lot of people that are very successful using the momo strategy. Now personally, I like the momo strategy, but I also like the buy and hold strategy too. If I've made some nice gains from a momentum play, I may put a few $100 here and there in some 000 stocks that I've researched and feel that if the conditions were right, maybe they released a press release or whatever significant event, that the price per share could appreciate rapidly. And those are just ones that I would sit on. No risk there because it's money that I made off of momentum plays. So if they pick up in the future, it could be huge gains because I got in and just held. And if they didn't pick up in the future, you know, no loss for me because it was money that I made from my momentum stock trades. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out my book. It's called The Penny Stock Perfectionist. I've got a link to that book. It's available from the iTunes store. You look in this video description, you'll see a link to purchase that book if you would like. It's only like, I guess, $4, $5. It's cheap. And then also feel free to subscribe to this channel. I'll continue to post videos. I welcome any feedback that you might have. Maybe there's a stock question you have. Maybe I can try to answer it and post a video here. I just enjoy posting stock videos. So feel free to subscribe, comment on whatever you like. YouTube.com/EpicStockDD. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.